Okay guys, this table I just picked up from Goodwill. It was $9.99 and I really like it. I'm going to repaint it. So now I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to use the Myers Lemon Verbena scent. I guess that's how you say that. I ordered this from Grove Collaborative. I'll put their link down below in case you're interested in ordering from those guys. They have some really good stuff. So I'm going to use paper towels, that way I can just toss them. These are Viva paper towels, I love those. They're almost like cloth. So I thought I'd let you guys see me give it a little cleaning here. Try to get some of the nasty off. This smells so good. It'll smell good anyway. I'm going to paint this back white. I'm going to use the chalk paint, so I'm going to sand it a little bit so it will adhere better when I get ready to paint it. And I'm thinking about doing a little decoupaging on it. Not quite sure what yet, but see what I can come up with. I love how this already looks farmhouse right here. It's got the, I don't know, maybe like a barn door, I'm thinking. I might have to go back and look, but yeah, I thought this was really cute for 10 bucks. There's a siren, you never hear that out here in the country, but the highway is down the street here, and of course speed limit's 50 to 55, curvy roads, and there's always a lot of accidents on that road. It's really dangerous. A lot of people have lost their lives on that road, and it happens frequently. That's why I tell my kids to be really careful. Well, only one's driving now, she's 17, but I tell them be extra careful on that highway. We only have about 5 miles to get to the interstate, but we travel that highway every day. Okay, so I'm going to clean the inside, and then I'll be back to do a little sanding. Don't know if I'll do that tonight, but I need to take the hardware off, which is not much. But I'm gonna take that off and see if I can get that where it'll latch again. Clean the inside. I'll be back with you. Okay, I will be using 2 coats of the chalk paint, and I have the Rust-Oleum, and it's in linen white. So I'll place 2 coats on the entire cabinet, and then I will decoupage, and later in the video you will see what I'll be using. I'll be using these napkins that I picked up at Dollar Tree for my decoupage. And they are 2-ply, so be sure to remove that back layer before you Mod Podge these on. And just cut them down to size, and I work in sections. You will get wrinkling, but that's to be expected, and it does make it look more vintage. So I'll just let you watch what I do. Okay, so here I'll begin placing the napkin, and I do work in sections. It's much easier. Just put some Mod Podge down, place your napkin down, more Mod Podge, more napkin. When I get this placed on, I will put a coat of Mod Podge on top, and once it dries, I'll do a second coat. So here you'll see that I did not cut mine exactly, and now I'm having to go in with a box cutter and try to trim this off. So be sure to cut these before you place them on, because the napkins are so thin that they tear very easily, so you've got to be gentle with those. Okay, as you can see, I have completed one side, and what I do is when I get that on, I work in sections of course, and I'll apply a layer of Mod Podge on top, and then once that dries, I'll go back over it with a second coat of Mod Podge just to give it more protection. Okay, here you can see I've completed both sides. I will be doing the front of the drawer and also the door as well. I wasn't going to do the door, but once I got it put together, I decided to do it, and it worked out really good. It tied everything together. I would also like to thank my good friend Patty for all of her input while I was working on this. Thanks, Patty. Okay guys, here it is. I love the way this piece turned out. I'm going to set it up in my bathroom and let you see it there. Okay, this is going to be a tight shot in the bathroom, but here it is. And I did want to let you guys know that I did lose some footage on this, but as you can see, I did both sides. I did the drawer and then the door. And you just have to cut your napkins down, make sure you take that back layer off, Mod Podge it on, work in sections, and then I did one coat of Mod Podge on the outside, and when that dried I did one more coat. Let's see, the hardware I spray painted. I can't remember if I told you that, but it is hammered bronze. It was black, and I just thought it would look much better with the napkins that I have on there. I think the black would have been too harsh. So there it is. And there's the other side. I'm so sorry I can't get this in here. It is so tight in here. So let me show you what I did on the drawer. I did put the napkin in there to line it. I was going to use contact paper, but I thought, you know, that would be pretty with the napkins. So same thing with that, just Mod Podged it on, did one coat on the top, and when that dried I did another coat. And I do still have to work on this door right here. It is not catching. It's just off center or something. But sorry about my thumb there. But this is it, guys, and I think it turned out really cute. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up on this one. And if you are a subscriber, I do appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate all the support you show me. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I would love to have you. And as always, guys, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.